Hi, welcome back. Let me solve the remaining questions which are based on inverse trigonometric functions miscellaneous exercise. So, I've solved till 12th question in my previous video. Let me complete the remaining questions right now. The 13th question is find the value of x. I need to solve this equation. 2 tan inverse of cos x is tan inverse of 2 cosecant x. 2 tan inverse of cos x is tan inverse of 2 cosecant x. Good. So 13th question is 2 tan inverse of cos x is equal to tan inverse of 2 cosecant x. So we have 2 tan inverse of x formula. Take LHS and we'll simplify this. 2 tan inverse of cos x is tan inverse of 2 cos x upon 1 minus cos square x. That should be equivalent to tan inverse of 2 upon sin x. So that is tan inverse of 2 cos x upon sin square x upon 2 upon sin x. That is tan inverse of 2 upon sin x. So 2 cos upon sin square x is equal to 2 upon sin x. So it implies sin x by cos x is tan x is equal to 1. If tan x is equal to 1, x should be equal to pi by 4. This is the answer. Okay, simple, expand, equate both, I get tan x as 1. Solve the following equation. Tan inverse of 1 minus x upon 1 plus x is equal to half tan inverse of x. Tan inverse of 1 minus x upon 1 plus x is equal to half times tan inverse of x. So this can be solved in 2 ways. One is if I take x is equal to cos 2 theta, this gets simplified, so again this becomes a bit concern. Okay, let us solve the normal way. Take 2 onto the other side, so it becomes 2 tan inverse of 1 minus x upon 1 plus x is equal to tan inverse of x. If I can prove this, so we have 2 tan inverse of x formula is tan inverse of 2x upon 1 minus x square. So 1 minus x square is 1 minus x upon 1 plus x whole square. That is equivalent to tan inverse of x. So tan inverse of 2x formula is tan inverse of 2 into 1 minus x into 1 plus x. If we simplify this, I am doing 2-3 steps in one step because simplification. 1 plus x whole square minus 1 minus x whole square is equal to tan inverse of x. So let's simplify next page. Tan inverse of 2 times 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square minus 1 minus x square is 2x minus 2x, that is 4x. 4x is equal to tan inverse of x. So equate both sides. So just tan inverse of x, right? So if I equate both sides, this goes 2 times. So 1 minus x square is equal to x times 2x. Earlier it will be 1 minus x square by 2x is x. So 1 minus x square is 2x square. It implies 3x square is equal to 1. It implies x is equal to plus or minus 1 upon root 3. This should be the answer. Next question. Sin of tan inverse of x if mod x of less 1 is less than 1 equal to, if mod x is less than 1 equal to sin of tan inverse of x. That is 15th question. Sin of tan inverse of x is equal to sin of theta x and 1 root of 1 plus x square sin inverse of x upon root of 1 plus x square. So sin and sin inverse get cancelled, so this becomes x upon root of 1 plus x square. X upon root of 1 plus x square, which is option D. This should be the answer. Option D is answer. Option D is answer. Option D is answer. Okay, let us solve the next question. Sin inverse of 1 minus x minus 2 sin inverse of x is equal to 5 by 2, then x is equal to. 16th question is sin inverse of 1 minus x minus 2 sin inverse of x is equal to 5 by 2, then x is equal to. So it is better to solve this equation from options than solving this, which might become lengthy. First option is 0, 1 by 2. Option B is 1, 1 by 2. Option C is 0. Option D is 1 upon 2. So try to substitute 0 in this. If I substitute 0 in this, sin inverse of 1 minus 0 minus 2 sin inverse of 0, this is what I get to analyze. So sin inverse of 1, this becomes sin inverse of 1 minus 0, which is sin inverse of 1, which would be 5 by 4. Sin inverse of 1, which would be 5 by 2, sorry. So this 0 option is correct. So I can eliminate this option and this option. Now check for 1 by 2. If 1 by 2 is correct, option A would be correct. If not, option C would be correct. So let x is equal to 0. Now what I do is I'll replace let x is equal to 1 upon 2. If we replace let x is equal to 1 upon 2, we get sin inverse of 1 minus 1 upon 2 minus 2 times sin inverse of 1. So sin inverse of 1 minus 1 upon 2 is sin inverse of 1 upon 2 minus 2 sin inverse of 1. Sin inverse of 1 upon 2 is same as pi upon 6, that is 30 degrees, minus 2 times sin inverse of 1 upon 2, this is 1 upon 2, is 2 times pi upon 6, That is pi by 6 minus pi by 3 is minus pi upon 6, which is not equal to pi by 2. So 1 by 2 can't be the answer. So 0 should be the answer. That is option C is correct. Hope you are clear with this. Okay. So try to utilize options when they give options. If not, you can solve using normal method to simplifying sin inverse of 1 minus x in terms of tan, sin inverse of x in terms of tan, then 2 tan inverse of x in terms of tan inverse. So tan inverse of x minus tan inverse of y. We simplify further to you'll get, but it will be very lengthy, not advisable. Next question, tan inverse of x upon y is minus tan inverse of x minus y upon x plus y is equal to tan inverse of x upon y minus tan inverse of x minus y upon x plus y is equal to. Okay, very good. Tan inverse of x upon y minus tan inverse of x minus y upon x plus y is equal to. So this will become tan inverse of x minus tan inverse of y. This becomes tan inverse of x minus y upon 1 plus x into y. So which would be tan inverse of x into x plus y minus y into x minus y upon y into x plus y upon y into x plus y plus x into x minus y upon y into x plus y. So this denominator and this denominator get cancelled, so that is equal to tan inverse x square plus xy minus xy plus y square upon xy plus y square plus x square minus xy. Xy minus xy, xy minus y, xy get cancelled. So tan inverse of x square plus y square upon x square plus y square, which would be tan inverse of 1. Tan inverse of 1 is pi by 4. So answer should be pi by 4. Let us verify the answer. Pi upon 4. Yes. Again option C. Here also option C. So hence option C is correct. Okay. With this we have solved each and every question based on CBSE 12th math book exercise questions. So I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. Make sure that you solve each and every question once or twice. Once you get hold of this topic is most easy, most simple topic. See you in my next videos with different topic. Have a good time. Till then, bye.